Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to flip text in Canva. A lot of people assume Canva has a simple one-click flip option for text, but if you've tried looking for it, you probably noticed something important. When you select normal text in Canva, the flip button doesn't appear like it does for images or graphics. So in this video, I'll show you the easiest workaround to properly mirror your text and create that flipped effect step by step. Let's get started. First, open your Canva design and add your text. You can insert a heading, subheading, or text box depending on the style you want. Type your text and customize it however you like. Change the font, size, color, spacing, or effects before moving on because later the text will become an image instead of editable text. Now, technically, Canva does let you rotate text. If you click on the text and use the rotate handle, you can turn the text upside down by rotating it 180 degrees. This works if you only want inverted text. But in most cases, people actually want mirrored text, meaning the text flips horizontally like a reflection in a mirror. Unfortunately, Canva doesn't currently support direct text mirroring. However, there's a simple workaround. Once your text looks exactly the way you want, go to the top right corner and click Share, then choose Download. Select PNG as the file type because PNG works best for this method. Next, enable Transparent Background. This removes the white background so only the text remains visible after uploading it back into Canva. Keep in mind that Transparent Background is a Canva Pro feature. Once everything is ready, click Download and save the image to your computer. Now head over to the Uploads section inside Canva and upload the PNG file you just downloaded. After uploading, add the image back into your design. At this point, your text is no longer editable text. Canva now treats it like a regular image, and this is important because images have access to the Flip tool. Click on the uploaded image and look at the toolbar at the top. You should now see the Flip option. Click Flip, then choose either Flip Horizontal to mirror the text sideways or Flip Vertical to flip it upside down. Most people use Flip Horizontal for mirror text effects. You can also duplicate the original text image and place the flipped version underneath it to create cool reflection effects for thumbnails, logos, banners, or social media graphics. Another useful tip is to slightly crop the uploaded image if there's extra transparent space around it. This makes the flipped text easier to align and position correctly in your design. And remember, because this is now an image, you won't be able to edit the words afterward, so always double-check spelling and formatting before downloading the PNG. So to quickly recap, Canva doesn't currently allow direct text flipping for editable text. The easiest workaround is to download the text as a PNG with a transparent background, upload it back into Canva, and then use the Flip tool on the image. This method lets you create mirrored text, reflection effects, and other creative designs inside Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.